Struggling to attach a file to a Jira comment? Here is exactly how to do it in under a minute. I know that feeling, right? You have a screenshot, a PDF, or maybe a quick video that perfectly explains what you mean, and you just cannot find the button to get it in there. It is frustrating, especially when you are trying to keep things moving. So let me walk you through it step by step. We are going to open your Jira account, navigate to a specific ticket, and then use the comment attachment feature. I will show you exactly what to click, so by the end of this, you will be adding files in seconds without even thinking about it. All right, the first thing you need to do is open up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in. Once you are on your main dashboard, this is where you will see all your projects listed on the left side panel. That is the panel on the very left of your screen. It usually has a list of project names or shortcuts to them. Just click on the project that has the ticket you want to work with. For this example, we are going into the IT project. Click that project name. Now you are inside the project board. You will see a list of all the tickets or issues for that project. These are the individual tasks, bugs, or stories that your team is working on. Go ahead and click on a specific ticket where you want to attach a file. Just click on the ticket number or its summary text. This will open up the detail view for that ticket. Once the ticket is open, you need to locate the Comments section. This is usually on the right side panel of the ticket, or sometimes at the very bottom of the center area. Look for a section that says Comments or has a speech bubble icon. That is what we are aiming for. Click into the Comments area, and you will see a message box. It looks like a standard text field where you would type a reply. So where do we go from here? Look at the toolbar inside that message box. You will see a little plus icon. It might be a small circle with a plus sign in it, and it is usually right next to the text formatting options. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. A small menu will pop up with a few different options. Now, pay attention to this one. From that menu, you want to click on the option that says Add Image, Video, or File. It is the third option down in my experience, but your menu might look slightly different depending on your Jira version. Just look for those exact words. Click that. A new window will open up. This is the file picker. At the top of that window, you will see a button that says Upload. Click on that Upload button. This will open your computer's file browser. Now you just need to choose the file you want to attach. It can be an image, a video, a PDF, a spreadsheet, pretty much anything. Navigate to where that file is saved on your computer, select it, and click Open or Choose. You will see the file name appear in that window. Finally, look for the blue Save button at the bottom of that window. Click Save, and just like that, your file is attached to the comment. You can now type your message around it and be confident that your team sees exactly what you need them to see. And that is it. You went from hunting for that attachment option to dropping in a file in under a minute. Now you can keep your workflow smooth and your tickets clear. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.